I'll show you how you can connect your G29 controller to your phone. Now we're gonna jump through a couple of hoops to get your G29 to sort of connect to your phone, because obviously the G29 can't connect directly to your phone. It simply doesn't have the enough processing power for you to be able to process the input from your steering wheel onto your phone, right? Your phone is too weak to do that. So instead, we're gonna stream the G29 to our laptop, and then we're gonna stream the game to our phone. So we're gonna use our laptop as the central processing hub, and then we're gonna stream it to our phone. So first off, you want to go to xbox.com enus/play, and then you want to connect the G29 controller on this section up here, right? You want to go to this section up here, and you want to click on connect my controller. Now it doesn't have to be Xbox, it doesn't have to be a DualShock 4, it doesn't have to be an Amazon Luna controller. You can click on other controller, and you can click on connect here. Unfortunately, I don't have a G29 on hand for me to be able to demonstrate it directly, but if you just plug in your G29 to your computer, it should automatically detect when you click on connect here. And then after that, obviously we'll need to pick a game, right? You need to pick a game that you actually own, right? So stream your own game. So we're gonna stream our own game, and we're gonna stream it on our phone. So for example, here, let's just click on show all. And I'm just gonna take a very random example here. For example, Cyberpunk 2077. Now, you need a Game Pass Ultimate to play this game, or a game purchase is required, right? So I can't show you directly how to do this, but it's very easy. If you click on play with Game Pass Ultimate, uh, it'll just show up to connect, right? And then it'll have the on-screen direction for you to be able to connect it to a phone. And you just have to follow that, and it'll be very easy. So don't worry about it. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.